In this experiment, we are going to learn about density.
Here I have honey, soap, water with red food dye, and oil. Now, I'm going to pour each of these things into other things. So first I'm going to pour the soap into the honey. Now, the soap is going to float on top of the honey and form a completely separate layer. This is because the soap is less dense than the honey. That is, it has less mass or amount of stuff per volume or amount of space. So you can see that two distinct layers were formed, the soap on top and the honey on bottom. Now I'm going to add the water. This also will float on top of the soap and the honey because it has less mass per the same amount of volume as the other two liquids. So you can see a third layer is formed on there. And lastly, I'm going to pour the oil, it's just regular vegetable oil, on top of the whole thing. So you can see a separate layer starting to form on top, and I poured it in a bit too fast, so it kind of formed bubbles and stuff. But you can still see that there are 4 distinct layers. The bottom is honey, and you can see that because it's a completely different color. And so yeah, you can see the honey is a completely different layer than the soap, then the water, and then the oil, even though it's a bit mixed in. So that's how density works. If something has less mass for the same amount of volume, then it floats, or not, it will sink. Have fun!